All right, on the Flat Rate Master, today we're talking about, well, getting a tool right before you need it. All right, so if you watched my video, New Tools, episode I think 30, I talked about some stuff that Mueller Cup sent me. In that kit was a set of long Torx screwdrivers. And, you know, cool, might come in handy here and there. Well, this week, apparently there is an Audi where, well, a T20 or T25 is required equipment to do a rear tail light bulb. I wasn't involved in the repair, so I don't know the exact details of it. I know it involved coal on the ground with this to do the tail light. I think it was a backup light, but anyway, literally I got a tool in the nick of time. As he said, there's no way to do that job without this tool. Honestly, I'd have never thought to buy this tool on its own just because, you know, I've got long Torx bits for my, you know, impact driver, and I really wouldn't have just gotten this out of the, you know, oh, that'll come in handy. It literally came in handy the next week. And that's one of the things I always think about when I'm looking at tool purchases. Now, one of the things that I'm in a situation that a lot of people aren't is I've got a rather large tool collection. And so a lot of the stuff that I run into, I have a tool for. This one I didn't until Mueller sent these to me. You know, yes, Mueller sent them to me. But that's one of the things I look at when it comes to purchasing tools. Is this something that might come in handy? Because trust me, I buy a lot of tools based on just that. Will this come in handy at some point? You know, sometimes a tool never comes in handy. Sometimes a tool gets used like this the very next week. So something to think about when you're planning your tool purchases is this something that might come in handy? Having a tool in your toolbox that only gets used every now and then, but saves your hiney in those times is invaluable. Trust me on that. It is something you just cannot underestimate because, well, saves your butt tomorrow, well worth the purchase today. Part number on this kit, by the way, is 706-300. There's no Amazon available for it. I've looked last week. It is on their site, so you should be able to buy it from Mueller Cup's distributors at any point. So anyway, something to think about. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.